Yo, what's going on, my fine people? Unboxing today. I've been doing a lot of unboxings. Pretty soon, we're gonna go outside. Actually, tomorrow, I'm gonna take a day off from work and I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna do something very, very special for my loyal subscribers and my new viewers. Just basically some new content for the channel, something you've never seen before. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Real big vlog coming up soon. And I give you a keyword, it has something to do with vintage. It's not exactly what you think, but it is vintage. So I'm gonna just leave it at that. So be on the lookout either Sunday or Monday for the video to be uploaded. But today, what this video is about, I made, actually, yeah, this is 100% confirmed. We are doing a giveaway. So if you tune into this video, I haven't really thought of the rules yet. It's probably gonna be like my last giveaway. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to hit 1,000, but that's not the goal for the giveaway. I'm trying to hit 1,000. I'm trying to hit my watch hours, trying to get monetized. So the only thing you got to do is follow me on YouTube. Subscribe on YouTube and follow me on Instagram. I guess tag 2 friends, and then tell them to subscribe to my YouTube, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. And we'll probably do the giveaway at the end of, I want to say at the end of May, probably like beginning June, end of May, beginning June. So that's in full effect. So also, I uploaded exclusive Facebook exclusive video. And if you want to get a teaser of what I was talking about in the beginning of the video, make sure you guys follow me on Facebook. I do have Facebook, I do have TikTok, I do have Instagram, and obviously YouTube. For those platforms, I upload different sets of content for each platform. So if you feel like you're getting that FOMO and you feel like you're missing out, make sure you follow me on everything. You're not necessarily, because I do post selectively. I don't post everything at my yearly end video or my anniversary video. Matter of fact, that's a good segue while I'm at it. Go check out all my anniversary videos. It's like a compilation of all my years on YouTube, of what I've done so far up until this point, and there will be anniversary video of this one. But what I was saying was, I may put those selective exclusive content to that specific platform on those on my anniversary video. So if you feel like FOMO, you feel like you're missing out on content, or you just bored or whatever, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, RIP TikTok. I hate to say it, but it might be over with for TikTok. And I guess obviously YouTube, make sure you subscribe. But without further ado, so Super Bowl, right? Super Bowl, there was this specific commercial about this really, really big icon from the city I'm from, Chicago, right? But now you know what I'm talking about. Kanye. He was letting everything go for 20 bucks. So I rushed. First, the sneakerhead in me, or I want to say the low-key reseller in me, went to go check the price. I'm like, damn, bro. They're going for like $300-400? Like, this was back when the stuff was $200, because they was going on the resale price of $200. Now everything is $20, and at the Super Bowl it was $20. So I rushed, hurry up, add to cart, bam, bought what I bought. Knocked on my son's door like, hey, these going for 20 bucks. You know what I'm saying? Get them while they're hot. Especially since it's the first like standalone Yeezy shoe without adidas. So I was all aboard for it. So we hopped on that. And it turned out to be, now to this day, like I checked on GOAT yesterday because I got a confirmation about my package. Now mind you, they didn't send the stuff until like a week ago. This is the Super Bowl. Super Bowl was like February, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't mad at that part. I know it take a long time for Yeezy supply to ship. But this may be one of my first Yeezys that I own on my channel. So this, I guess you call this an exclusive video. So without further ado, here you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. If I said that right. I ordered one. my son ordered one. My son don't want it no more. I never seen these in hand. For some reason, I have an extra, so I will unbox all 3. And this will be the giveaway. You can pick your size. We have a size 1 and a size 3. You probably better off going with that size 1 because they are oversized. I watched plenty of videos on these, but I haven't seen them in hand. But these are the Yeezy Pods. So I can feel about a 1. The 1 I will give away. We're gonna unbox them all. So this is the 3. You can just tell by the size. You see the sizing? I guess you can't really. I guess I gotta unbag it, unbox it. So let's unrip the first one. So you have, let's see, they got a receipt in here. Hopefully you got my Addy on here. Oh, I do got my Addy on here. I'll put that back. So these are it. These are a size 1. It comes in this bag, just like this. Tied up specifically this way, I guess. I don't know, I was gonna say if you want a legit check, but I mean, there shouldn't be no reason people making fake Yeezy Pods. I mean, they only $20, so. But like I said before, this is Yeezy first standalone shoe. We may even do our own feet, cause I don't know. But here you go. This is 1. I didn't cut up my video. Let me get some background for y'all. Wow. This how they look. To be honest, I low-key can fit these, bro. And I bought a 3 for myself. But they end up sending the 3rd one. I don't know. I don't remember ordering 2. This is the bottom. I don't even know what they got. Like, this is the most simplest, like, thing in the world. Or simplest shoe in the world. Oh, it do got a little, it got padding right here. So what I first thought, it was just this and this, but it does have a simple, like, thin little pattern right here. So we probably will be trying these on. I'm gonna go outside in the back and show y'all. This is the right one. Yeezy was wearing these in the street too. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeezy was wearing these around the city. Yeezy was outside in these bad boys. We're gonna open this, the bigger one. You can just tell it's bigger, and I'll do a size comparison too as well. So these are my OG ones. Make sure I don't get the Addy in the camera. And be careful out here. Too many creeps out here in this world. All right, so this is a 3. Wham, bam. You know what I'm saying? Why I keep saying it? That's like my thing. Like, I don't know why I keep saying it. But anyway, this is the size 3. I'm gonna get these mixed up because I don't think they're labeled on the shoe. Can you see how much bigger this is? Damn, that's huge. Look at that. Let me get the left one. So this is the size. Try to get both of them in the cam. A 1 to 3. So depending on how big your foot is, I can imagine people putting their foot up to their TV right now. Like, damn, do I fit this size? You know. But this is a 1 and this is a 3. And that's how big it is to it. I'll do a little hang tag, a little hang drop. Both of these are the left sides. Try to get them as close as possible. So really, it's just a sock, bro. To be honest, this would be too big. But I'm not gonna lie, a lot of people, from my impressions, like when you see it on cam, like this looks like a really thin material, but this is actually a very, very thick material, as you can see. It seems like it's good quality too, especially for 20 bucks. I mean, it's the best quality you could probably get for 20 bucks all the time. We got the other one. So I wonder, did Yeezy like send me a 2 or something like that for free? Like, but this is the next free size, the part of the giveaway. Platinum silver with the Addy. Yeah, this is a size 1. You seen it? All right, so for the giveaway, we are giving away a size 1 Yeezy Pod and a size 3 Yeezy Pod. So go ahead and enter. I may do an Instagram promotion or promote an Instagram video just to give you guys a better chance to enter in the giveaway. These will be shipped really fast to you. So make sure you guys enter the giveaway. And subscribe to the channel, man, if you like this. I do tons of content, man, sneaker content. As a matter of fact, one of my best videos, one of my best performing videos, the actual event is coming up very soon. I want to say next month at the end of May. I think it's like, damn, I forget what day, but the event I'm talking about, the Colorgasm, that is coming up really soon. I'm telling you, if I'm not a party dude, but I make sure I go to one party throughout the year, and that's that one party is Colorgasm, because that is be so lit, bro. Like, I'm telling you, like, Colorgasm is where it's at, bro. Like, if you miss that and you're in Atlanta, like, you really missing out on that day. Like, but if not, you'll get to see it on my channel. So shout out Colorgasm, by the way. But giveaway, into the giveaway, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram. If you're feeling that FOMO, follow me on all other social platforms, for Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Well, we're gonna get up out of here. I'll holler at y'all later, man. Yeah, man, free stuff for you. I mean, you can't win with free. I mean, that's my favorite word, free. So I'm just sliding it to you. You know what I'm saying? Sliding it to you real quick. So for the free ski, all you gotta do is, like, you know what I'm saying, type in some words and hit a few buttons and, you know what I'm saying, continue to watch. That's all, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, we're going to get up out of here. I'm talking your heads off. Everybody be peaceful, be patient, stay blessed, and be humble. I'll get up with y'all later, man, for the passion, for the people, for the culture. I'll let y'all later, man. Peace. Y'all be easy. Oh, one more thing before I go. We got to try these on, bro. I might actually go outside and try these on. So don't leave yet. I made a promise to y'all. I be saying stuff and then be forgetting I say it, bro. But we're gonna put these on. I'm gonna see if they fit, and yeah, we're gonna go outside real quick. But after that, I'll get over with y'all later.